Unlock your potential today at skillbakery.com.
Welcome to this video on AI agents in IT support, where we will explore architecting advanced automation systems. This 30-minute session is designed specifically for system architects. At its core, an AI agent is defined by its ability to think, decide, and act. It is an intelligent, multi-step workflow system capable of independent action, maintaining contextual memory, and integrating deeply with your systems. We distinguish between passive tool-based systems, which merely provide answers, and active agent-based systems. Agent-based systems take action by reading, analyzing, suggesting, drafting, and updating tickets autonomously. This autonomous support assistant replaces multiple manual execution steps with a single, intelligent, integrated workflow, streamlining everything from reading the ticket to updating the final status. Our engineering framework follows a 5-step build. Define your goal, identify required actions, specify inputs, determine outputs, and finally, create your prompt chain. The basic engine uses a single prompt execution approach, defining the system persona, listing specific execution steps, and accepting the variable ticket input. For more advanced architectures, we move away from single prompts and break the process into specialized, multi-step agent actions. This improves accuracy, increases control, and simplifies debugging. Consider real-world scenarios like auto ticket handlers, log-based agents for root cause analysis, or incident agents that draft communications during system outages. A smart ticket assistant can act as an intermediary, where the AI triggers analysis and suggestions that are then presented to a human agent for final approval. Scaling your strategy involves 3 levels of automation, starting with suggestions only, moving to assisted actions with human approval, and finally, achieving full automation. Governance is critical. To mitigate risks like wrong suggestions or misclassifications, we employ human review loops, confidence scoring, and decision logging. Remember, AI assists, but humans control. In this lab exercise, you will design a support ticket agent by mapping inputs, building prompt chains, drawing flow diagrams, and planning system integration. By synthesizing the ability to think, decide, and act, you are now equipped to build intelligent, complex workflows as a system architect. In summary, AI agents represent the future of autonomous IT support, moving from simple tools to multi-step reasoning systems that integrate deeply into your existing ticket lifecycles.
If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.